I went ahead a few weeks ago and I purchased a power station, or really just like a power generator that's electric and not gas. I've had a few of these in the past. This one's a really large capacity, talking about 1,000 watts here. And so far it's been working pretty well for what I wanted. I really got it for actually like my workshop to use various tools and things on, because I'm a little limited on the outlets in this area. And it's also good if I'm just going outside to continue working on something and I could just bring this power pack with me. It just works really well so far. I think there's a lot of uses for this that people would be interested in. It's not going to power your whole house or anything like that, but for certain items that are essential, you should be able to run. You can see there's a lot of different outputs in here. We have the DC, USB, USB-C, multiple USB ports. There's also 3 like standard household outlets in here for an AC output that you can use. There's also a bunch of inputs. I mean, there's a way you could charge this through DC. You could charge it through an AC adapter that's included.